A very warm good morning, dear students. Dear students, today we are just going to learn about the proposition use of for and since. Use of for and since. Okay, for and since. Okay. Know something about the for and since. The use of for and since. You all are, I think, you all are familiar with this use of for and since. Okay. So here you can see I have use for or since to fill in the blanks in the sentences. So first one, I have talked to Alan. See, so that is what we can say, the exercises. Before that we had seen that when we are using for when it is used, when we are talking about an action or state continuing in the present, exact time is not mentioned. That it does not tell us when the action began. It is for is not telling the exact time. Somewhere, okay, it has started in the past and it is still continuing in the present, and the exact time is not mentioned here. So there are examples. The meeting has been going on 4 hours. For 4 hours now. There was a power cut yesterday for the whole evening. Then now we are just going to tell about since. What is the use of since? Since tell us the date and time when an action or state began. So it is since is just mentioning the exact time when the action or state began. So exactly it is mentioning the time. You can see that she has been absent since Monday. She has been absent since Monday. Exact since Monday. Since Monday. That means Monday. Okay. So the exact time is mentioned. Monday onwards she was absent. So exact time is mentioned here. So then B. The new law has been in force since August 1st, 2010. There is also the exact day and here everything is mentioned. No, the new law has been in force since August 1st, 2010. So the time is also exactly mentioned here. So now let us see use of or use for or since to fill in the blanks in the sentences. So you will be also trying. So first we will see the answers now. Let us see. I haven't talked to Alan dash more than a week. So exact time is not mentioned. This is mentioned there. I haven't talked to Alan dash more than a week. I haven't talked to Alan dash more than a week. So you can write there for or since, or you can write there. You can write for. I haven't talked to Alan for more than a week. For you can use there for more than a week. For some reason today the phone has been ringing dash morning. So exact time. Exact time is mentioned that. For some reason today the phone has been ringing dash morning. So you can write here since morning. For some reason today the phone has been ringing since morning. Now, aren't you tired? You've been working at the computer for the last 4 hours. So there will be 4 hours. So I told the answer. Aren't you tired? You have been working at the computer for the last exact time also is mentioned before. The exact time is mentioned or not? No. So for the last few hours, the particular time is not mentioned. It is mentioned about the for the last 4 hours. Just mention that only. So you have been working at the computer for the last 4 hours. For the last 4 hours. Then fifth one, we have been worrying about our friends. That's the time we got news that they had lost their way in the woods. So that is why we have been worrying about our friends. That's the time we got news that they had lost their way in the woods. So what you can write there? What will be the correct? So it is. So the particular time is mentioned there. So we can tell that we have been worrying about our friends since the time we got news that they had lost their way in the woods. So that will be, since will be the correct one. The next one, she has been living here past almost 12 years. She has been living here past almost 12 years. So that you can write there 4. No, she has been living here for almost 12 years. Almost 12 years. Right here. Then Mr. Smith has not been seen by his neighbors since Sunday. See, Mr. Smith has not been seen by his neighbors since Sunday. That is also particular time is mentioned there. So it can be since Monday, right? It can be the since Monday. Now, 7th one, it is difficult to concentrate. It is difficult to concentrate after you have done maths for 3 periods in a row. It is difficult to concentrate after you have done maths. You have done maths for 3 periods in a row. So that is it. For 3 periods, not for 3 periods. Now, 8th one, I have stopped trusting him. Dash, he broke his promise to me the last time. What do you mean? I have stopped trusting him. The 4 or since, what will be coming there? I have stopped trusting him since he broke his promise to me the last time. Okay, since he broke, so we can write there since he broke his promise to me the last time. So since it will be since only. Okay. Now let us see something else. That is use of during, while, until, and by. Okay. Use of during, until. Okay, until, and what other things are there? Use of during. During, while, until, and by. Okay. And then while. See. Now we are just going to learn about that only. You can see here. We use during to say that an action takes place for a fixed duration. Example, I feel asleep during the journey. See that we use during. When we use during to say that an action takes place for a fixed duration. It is for a particular time only. Fixed duration. A particular time is mentioned for that period only. The action will be taking place. Okay, yes, I feel asleep during the journey. So whenever I go for the journey, I feel asleep. Nothing else. See, not any other time. So it is mentioning about a fixed duration. Okay, so that means for a particular time or a particular situation. So that is whenever he goes for the journey, I feel. Whenever I go for journey, I feel sleepy. I fell asleep. So that is the state. You can see it is mentioning about the particular duration. Okay, fixed duration. Speaking about a fixed duration. And then we use while to introduce an adverbial clause. We use while to introduce. When we use while is used to introduce an adverbial clause. So example, you see, she slipped and fell badly while she was climbing over the wall. She slipped and okay, it is an adverbial clause. We use while to introduce an adverbial clause. You see, she slipped and fell badly. So So badly, you see that badly is there used as an adverb. No? So here you can find that she slipped and fell badly while she was climbing over the wall. So while is used as there, and badly is there as a adverb clause. So adverb only. So it is while is used as an adverbial clause. So now we use. So these are rules, and you need to keep in your mind that is the rules. Okay, rules are very important, and you need to keep in your mind these rules very clearly. Okay, I hope that you are understanding and you are getting it. Okay, now we are just going to learn about we use by to indicate that an action is completed not later than a fixed time. Okay, to indicate an action that is completed not later than a fixed time. So you see, he said he had to complete the report and hand it in by Friday. So by Friday, that is a fixed time. So it is given a fixed time is given there. So by Friday I have to finish. So that is the fixed time is already given. He said he had to complete the report and hand it in by Friday. So that is what is given here. No, see, he had to complete the report. So he had to complete the report and hand it in by Friday. So it is a fixed time. There is a fixed time is allotted and it is given. So by that stipulated time, we have to hand it over the report. So that is a fixed time, fixed duration is given. So according to that, they have to give the report. So now we use until or till to indicate how long a situation continues. How long a situation continues. No? We use until or till to indicate how long a situation continues. So actually, we are using until or till to continue, to indicate. So to mention how long a situation continues. How long it is continuing a situation is continuing. I cannot enter into this deal with you until my father gives me permission. So I cannot enter into this deal. So I cannot enter into this deal with you until my father gives me permission. See, so it is to indicate how long a situation continues. So till, until, you say that how long a situation continues. Till my father gives me permission, I cannot deal with this. Okay, I cannot deal with this. So how long a situation continues, depend upon that. Until, till. So okay, how long a situation continues, based upon that only. Sometime we are taking the decision. So that is what, the use of until and till. So I hope that you understood this part. Now the exercise of that. Okay, let us speak about the exercise of that. Fill in the blanks using during or while. So here you need to use only during or while. See now, we spotted Simi and chatted with her. That's the interval of the time. So what will be the exact word there? We spotted Simi and chatted with her during the interval of the movie. So during, so I said also, no? We spotted Simi and chatted with her during the interval of the movie. So we spotted Simi and chatted with her during the interval of the movie. Now during, so that is coming, during is coming there. Now the door bell rang thrice. Dash, we were having dinner. So the door bell, the doorbell rang thrice. Dash, we were having the dinner. So what will be the exact answer? The doorbell rang thrice. No, the doorbell rang thrice while we were having dinner. Okay, fine. So we stop here. So we will be continuing the rest of the exercise in the next class. Okay, fine.